Good evening, this is Cactus Jim speaking. My dog Buddy is going to demonstrate to you how to get as much nutrition as you can from a beef marrow bone. So the first thing that you see is that with his paws, he's holding the bone in order to stabilize it and get his tongue and teeth inside where the marrow is. It takes him a while, but if you watch him, it will give you an idea of what to do if you need to buy marrow bones to eat. Why would you have to do that? Because of possible food shortages. There's an article the other day about slaughterhouses and meat packing places shutting down because too many people are getting sick. And so you may have, if you want meat, you may have to resort to this. I just bought 3 marrow bones that size at Safeway Market for about $4. It's kind of a rip-off, really. I was tempted to steal them. I think the next time I will steal them because I don't really give a shit about the profits of Safeway Market, and I think I'm being fucking ripped off. So there you have it. That's how to take care of a marrow bone with your hands in your mouth. Just pick it up with your hands. Don't try to use a fork. Well, you're thinking I'm not that stupid, but maybe you voted for Trump, so in that case you are that stupid. Good luck and good night.